Alright, hello everyone, my name is Zahir and welcome to my video. This video will go over the food festival project for my CMP 167 course. The premise of this project is to make a food menu. We'll start off with a user-defined method called display. The display method has a for loop in it that'll bring up our menu, and we'll number our menu starting from 0 right here, going in increments of 1, so 0, 1, 2, 3, based on nothing, which will be 0, 1, appetizers, 2 main course, and 3 desserts. And now we have system out print ln. This line right here will label it in order for you to see what number corresponds with what menu. And we have the final line, system out print, enter the number for your selection. You're gonna enter the number affiliated with the menu, and that'll bring you into that certain menu. Alright, now we have the main method right here, and you can see we have a list of strings that correspond to our menus. We have the main menu, the dessert menu, appetizer, main course, and toppings. Toppings is affiliated with appetizers, we will see later on. We go down, and this is where the code starts. Our system.out.print ln. Welcome to the food festival. Would you like to place an order? We have another string here in order to affiliate with what the user will type into the command prompt. So if a is equal to no, then it will say this line right here. So if we type in no, it'll say that line. But if you type in yes, as we restart, yes, and after we put in yes, it'll ask for our name. So we will put in the name. So I'll put Zahir. And this is where the display method comes into play. It will come to display and the main menu right here. And enter number for your selection. So we have 3 different integers to correspond with our 3 different courses. So we have the appetizer course, the main, and the dessert. So our first one is the appetizers. We have the display main menu right here, because after you put in your name, it'll say select from menu, then it'll have every other option there. So if n is equal to 0, it's going to break, because once you put in nothing, that's it, your order is done. But now we have switches and cases. So our first case is an appetizer. So we'll type in 1 and click enter, and it will give you a list of appetizers. The list of appetizers we have is displayed right here. We will go for 1. And this is the toppings. That's this part right here. This line of code is the toppings part. We will type in 1 Parmesan cheese. There we go. And it'll keep asking for toppings until you type 0. And then it'll bring you back to the display. So next is case 2. Case 2 is the main course. So as we'll type in 2 right here, we have our options. We will go for 3 spaghetti and meatballs. And there we go. Now we have broken out of case 2. Because we don't have any toppings for our desserts or our main course. So this time, after you put in an option, it'll just break. And now it's case 3. Case 3, which is the dessert, we'll type in 3 right here. We have a variety of choices. We have spotted dick, and before anybody says anything, spotted dick is pudding. I'll put an image up. We have cookie and chocolate cake. We'll go for chocolate cake because everybody loves it. And then there we go. Now we break out of that, and after that's all done, we type 0 because we've officially made our order. 0, and that's where this line will come in. Here is your order, and then it'll tell you your order for your appetizers. It has the toppings right here, the main course, and the dessert. And that is my code. Okay, we'll run through the code one more time because I have to go a little fast because of time constraints. Would you like to place the order? We will type in yes. What is the name for your order? We'll type in John. Select from the menu. We'll start with an appetizer. We'll go for cheddar biscuits, but this time we'll have 2 toppings. We'll have 2 barbecue sauce and 3 ketchup. And then we type in 0. So next is the main course. We'll go with that. Dessert. And go with chocolate cake. And then we'll do nothing to exit, and it will say the appetizers, what we chose, the toppings on it, and then our main course and dessert. Enjoy your meal. So that is the end, and Thank you for watching.